Welcome students to this week's spelling video. We are doing sort 32 Latin roots. Alright, we've been working on Latin roots if you did sort 31 and sort 30. So let's get started. Let's make sure we have all of our needed equipment. Okay, you're going to need sharpened pencil, scissors, yours should be rounded, handy dandy glue stick, your spelling journal, and of course your spelling words. As I said, this is sort 32 Latin roots with gress, rupt, tract, and mott. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut these out. I'm going to pause the video, cut them out, and be right back. You do the same. Now that I've got them cut out, make sure you do not throw this away. You need to have sort 32 on here, and remember, this is DV. Alright, so let's get our spelling notebook out. Alright, so let's put the date up here, please. Okay, and this is again sort 32. Alright, so let's go ahead and glue our title on so that we don't forget that. If you threw it away, get it out of the garbage, put it on. Or go ahead and pause the video after I get this written in there, or glued in there, and then you can write yours in. Okay, we also have our exemplars that are going to go at the top. So we're going to have gress, we're going to have rupt, tract, and mott. Alright, so I'm going to cut these up so I can use them for my speed sorts, for my blind sorts, whatever else we might need them for. So I'm going to put those in my manila envelope or bag, whatever I may have. Alright, so let's look at this, and gress, like in the word progress, rupt as in the word interrupt, tract as in the word detract, and mote as in the word promote. But first of all, let's talk about what these mean. Okay, so these are Latin roots again, gress, which means to go. So let's write to go. Okay, and rupt, which means to break. To break. And tract, which means to draw or pull. To draw or pull. And then mote, which means to move. Now, if you need to pause the video to write that down, go ahead. Remember, our main reason for doing this is to understand the words, understand their patterns. It helps us become better spellers, better readers, and better writers. So it's important that you do this and you listen to what we have to tell you. Alright, so let's go ahead and find a word up here. Let's go ahead and do detract. Detract. D-E-T-R-A-C-T. So tract is our root. Alright. And detract means to draw or pull. Okay? Or tract does. And then the DE means away or apart. So detract literally means to draw away from, which is what happens when something detracts from what you want people to pay attention to. So let's go ahead and write that down. Detract, D-E-T-R-A-C-T. Go ahead and underline tract, so to draw apart. So the suffix just basically tells us what more meaning it has into, goes into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and find another word, like progress. Okay, progress, P-R-O-G-R-E-S-S. So there's the Latin root, gress. And gress means to go. And pro means forward. So progress literally means to move forward. Nice. Okay, so P-R-O-G-R-E-S-S, progress. All right, there's progress. So this kind of helps you. Let's do pro means forward. So you need to know that progress means to move forward. You make progress, you're going forward, you're studying harder, you're making improvements. So that's good. All right, let's find another word. How about interrupt? Find that word in your word chips. So interrupt, rupt, means to break, right? So inter means between. So interrupt literally means to break in between, which is what you do when you interrupt a conversation. So let's write that. Interrupt. I-N-T-E-R-R-U-P-T. Rupt. And remember, inter means between. So interrupt. Okay, that's what you do when two people are talking and you just jump right in there. You interrupt. All right, let's see if we can find one with mote. Here's one. This is what I told you before. Promote. Promote. So mote means to move. Pro, again, there it is. Pro means is actually forward. So when you promote an idea, you move that idea forward. You're promoting your idea to get everybody to agree with it or to like it or just to see your point of view. All right, but we have to also add the E onto there. So we're going to do promote, P-R-O-M-O-T-E. So promote. Okay, so M-O-T. And again, this means forward. So that means to promote an idea, move that idea forward. Okay, so in the previous lessons, you have learned about Latin roots. And as with the roots in the other sorts, these roots occur with considerable frequency. So that means it happens a lot. So you need to look at these words because you use them in writing, you use them in your everyday conversations, so make sure you understand what they mean. Go through your words. If you have a question, ask an adult, parent, grandparent, older sibling, so that you understand what the word means. If you have any questions that somebody can't answer, please come back and ask us. So there's the lesson. Get all these done. Make sure you write all the other words down where they go under the correct exemplars. Think about it, learn a lot, and we'll see you later.